a ride, boys.
717 horsepower. Listen.
Congratulations, Daddy.
Congratulations, Mommy. Congratulations, Troy. Congratulations, Ben.
Thank you. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Yeah. Hello there, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well today. It's, like I mentioned, it's a year now when I ordered this Hellcat. The video of that event is in the channels. Check it out. But I wanted to make this video because I wanted to think about what the process was like for me and the things that I picked when I ordered the car, to give you guys some guidance for those of you who want to order a Hellcat. I guess it's a 2022 Hellcat now. So let's get on with this video. So in April 2001, I decided to order a Hellcat and trade my SCATPACK. Roanoke Motors gave me a good deal on my SCATPACK and give me the power dollars and all other discounts. You can see those in the video that I'll link below, that first video that I documented when I ordered this Hellcat. But so I ordered it in April. It showed up at the first week of July. And what I can tell you is, if you order these cars at a reputable dealer and has a wonderful service like Roanoke Motors, you won't have any delays. It took about 10 weeks for this car to show up, but I remember when they found out that the car was already completely checked, they called right away the plant and had this car put on a trailer, and 2 days later it was here ready for me to pick up. It's a wonderful service, because on the other hand, I had a friend who ordered a Trackhawk and it took him too long to, and he had a huge down payment on it, and there was no follow-up whatsoever from the dealership. So pick your dealer properly, the one that stand by what they say and really follow-ups and does a good service. So anyway, so when I ordered this car, I was super excited because I never thought I would be in a Hellcat, or I could afford a Hellcat, but because I had the SCATPACK and it had a good trade-in value, I was able to get into a Hellcat. So what are the things that I decided to pick when I was picking the things that I wanted in this car, right? So and do I regret those things that I picked when I ordered this car 1 year later? So the things that I did not pick is, I did not pick the Harman Kardon sound system. I did not pick a sunroof, and I didn't have, you know, special wheels. I just picked whatever came with the car. So let's start with a Harman Kardon sound system first. My Jeep SRT is a Harman Kardon sound system. It sounded good, but is the Alpine sound system on this car bad? No. It's actually really good also. But when you have a Hellcat, you'll find that you rarely listen to the sound system because you want to keep listening to the supercharger and the exhaust. So really, unless you listen to the music all the time, you go get the Harman Kardon, but it's like a what, $2,000 option? It's crazy. So I saved money that way. Second, I didn't pick the sunroof because I rarely use a sunroof, and I feel that with this car, because of its profile, it destroys the lines of the roof in having a sunroof because it's blue. If it's black, then the sunroof kind of just blends in. Hope you get what I'm saying here. So that's another thing that I decided not to do, and I don't regret it. I love my roof. It doesn't break out the suede Alcantara headliner. I love it. And third is I did not pick any special wheels because I was planning anyways on upgrading the wheels. I'm gonna use these stock wheels as winter wheels, and sometime this year I'm gonna go pick up a customized 2-piece or 3-piece wheel, step lift wheel for this car. So I knew that, so I was able to save money on that. And I didn't pick the navigation. That's the fourth one, because it's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so no need for navigation. So those are the things that I did not pick, and I do not regret not picking those things 1 year later that I've been driving this car. The things that I picked additional to this car is I picked the red interior, demonic red, and we love it. And I picked the option of having the carbon fiber and suede interior option, which I love. The carbon fiber really kind of makes the dash a little bit more upscale. As you know, the Charger dash needs to be updated, and Alcantara headliner makes it a little bit more classy. We really like it on our Jeep SRT, so we thought we should be putting it in the Hellcat. It just makes the interior a lot more upscale than without it. So those are the things that I picked when I optioned this car. That's the word I was looking for. Optioned this car. So it's been a whole year since I ordered it. Obviously, I'll make another video 1 year, a few months later, July, when I picked it up. But I'm enjoying this car. It's got 17,893 miles on it right now, and every single mile that I've used this car is really, really enjoyable. So if you're on the fence in getting yourself a Hellcat, go ahead and get yourself a Hellcat. There's a Mustang GT over there trying to rev his car on me. Probably wants to race. I'll see if I can pick it up from the dash cam. But and there's a SCATPACK again trying to rev their thing on me. Oh boy. So anyways, the order experience and delivery experience relies a lot on how good your dealer is in servicing you when you buy this car. I mean, you're paying a lot of money for this car, so you should demand excellent service, right? As far as the options and not picking some of the options, you guys can decide on that if it's worth it for you. It's an individual thing, but I wanted to share that here because sometimes that's the hardest thing when you're trying to pick from the computer what you want and what you don't want the car. It definitely took me a while to decide what I want and what I didn't want. But the things that I didn't want, I didn't regret at all. So hope you like this video. I don't want to keep it too long, and stay tuned for future more fun videos. All right, take care, and thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.